Keep doing them.
Ow! You're in trouble now. You kick my head. Kick my head. Not on purpose.
Are you gonna do it, Jayton?
No, just kick my head.
Well, do one. Roll. Do a chickalumba and get it off your head. Come on, Jayton. James, move out of the way. Your turn. Chickalumba. James, let him do a chickalumba.
No. Watch. Yeah. Take a picture of me doing that. Did you see that?
Do it again, James.
Mommy, do this and me spin around. Do this and me spin around, Mommy. Mommy, do this and me spin around.
I got it.
Are you done taking? Mommy, let me see.
It's not. It's still going. I can only get you if you're down by the couch. Down on the floor, I mean.
The disco. I done the limbo now. Mommy, I done the limbo. Yeah.
You gotta go right in front of the camera or it won't work. Scoot back.
I farted. Mommy.
What?
I want to do this and see. Mommy.
What'd you do? What happened? It's still taping, Jayton. Scoot back. Scoot back. It's still taping. It's taping your leg. Scoot back there by the couch. Sit down. You gotta sit down on the floor or we can't see you.
Whoa! Peace.
I can't see you up there.
Oh! Yes, you can.
No.
I'm gonna stab me with the fork. Oh! I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding. Zane, do it. I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding. Is that the end?
Should I stop it?
Now let's watch it.